You need your nails done, but you don't want to wait at a salon. You don't have to. You don't even have to leave the house or put a bra on. We can do it at home. Hey kitties, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am Marilyn. I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. So if you like that kind of stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Today we're going to be getting our nails done. If you missed my last video, I did a Fab Fit Fun unboxing, and I got a set of static nails in the shade Jet Setter. And today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I apply these nails and give you a little review on the nails. It's a perfect nudie sort of manicure, and I just love the color. So we're going to get right into it. So these are my nails. I recently removed my last set, and before I do my press-on nails, I like to do a little self-care, and I love to use a scrub prior to putting on the nails just to make my hands very soft and exfoliate. Just give them the best shot at looking the best and lasting long. So we got to go in with a little scrub. So grab your favorite scrub and do a gentle exfoliation on your hands, because hands are a part of your skin and your body and body care and all that too. And I want my hands to look nice, so that way the nails also look nice. You know what I mean? And in return, we all look good. It's so satisfying to do this, and my hands feel so soft when I'm done. I scrub the entire hand. I really do focus around the cuticles because that's where it tends to look dry. So we want to make sure we scrub off that dead skin and just make our hands radiant and just renewed by using that scrub. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse everything off and pat dry my hands, but this is what they look like so far. And now, once we have exfoliated and done that, it is really important to clip away any excess nails. My nails are pretty short from the last set, but the thing with press-on nails is the more surface the nail has to stick to, the more likely it will lift. So if your nails are short and clipped, they are going to last longer because there's less surface for the press-on nail to stick to or adhere to, if you understand what I'm saying. So I make sure that I clip them away and keep my nails fairly short. So that's a great idea whenever you're wearing press-on nails. So these are the nails here. It's called, the shade is called Jet Setter. It's a nudie pink shade. The shape is rounded. I've never done a very round short nail, so we're gonna see how it looks here on the video. So I'm just pulling them out the pack so you can see what's included. I believe there's about 24 nails. So you have more than enough nails to fit to your finger. So we're just gonna dump everything out. And before we start gluing nails and everything, what we're gonna do is size them. So that helps out to just start sizing the nails properly before you pull out that glue. Just work on finding the nails that match or fit to each finger or each nail bed perfectly before starting to glue. So in the set, it does come with glue, and it also comes with a nail file, which is very useful, which you will need. And I'm just showing you here how thick and sturdy the nail is. It's not a flimsy set of press-on nails by any means. This is very high quality. I'm making sure to find each nail to fit my finger and then lay it to the side. It makes it a lot easier than gluing it than trying to find it. It's just grab all the nails that fit to each finger for the left side as well as the right side. And once you've done that, it keeps it more organized. That way you can get through it as quickly as possible without fumbling around and trying to find nails to fit. Right here, I tried on a nail and it was a little bit larger than my nail bed and it was overlapping. So we used the file just to trim the edges and file it down to customize it to your finger, because the better it fits, the better the set looks, the more realistic it looks. You can barely tell it's even press-ons. So I make sure that I do not skip that step. If I feel any edge of the nail hanging over, I'm going to go ahead and file it away. So now, before you glue the nails on, you're not going to go straight into the glue. You're going to grab that nail file and you're going to buff your nail bed to make it a more rough surface. That way the nail is going to adhere much easier, okay? It cannot adhere to a very smooth surface. It can, however, it will not last long. You're going to find that your nails are like popping off and you're going to wonder why. Now these are alcohol pads. The set did not come with alcohol pads, but you can, I'm sure you have alcohol at home. Grab a napkin and just wipe the top of each nail just to get rid of any sort of oil or excess oil or any debris that may have been left on the nail. It has to be really clean and non-greasy. That way the glue has the best chance to stick and stay stuck for a minimum of 7 days. I typically keep mine for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, but minimum 7 days. You can have a full set for a week with this press-on set. Okay, and now I'm just pushing back the cuticles with the cuticle stick. Again, the set did not come with this, but I will show you how you can also use the actual press-on nail to do the very same thing. So you can just improvise. You don't have to have a cuticle pusher. You can do it also with the press-on nail, which I will eventually show you, but right now I'm using a cuticle stick because I do have one and I can just push it back. And this again helps with the nail to not lift. So pushing away that cuticle, that way when you place the nail down, you can glue it at an angle sort of like right under that cuticle area. And the set is going to be so seamless, girl. They're going to think you went to the salon, but you didn't. You didn't even leave the house. You didn't even put a bra on if you didn't have to. You did it right at home while you watch your favorite show and ate chocolate chip cookies, probably. All right, so here I am using the nail to push that cuticle back, and you can see how seamless it's going to be when we glue that nail down. So we're going to just do a drop of glue, like a big drop, and then we're going to just go straight in and glue each nail down because we've already sized them, we fit them, we're good to go. We can glue it. So I do it a little bit at an angle where I angle it down towards the cuticle and then lay the nail flat. And I wanted to show you how long I actually leave it on before I let go. I press it for a few seconds, maybe 30 to 40 seconds before letting go. Okay, so I did not want to speed that part up because I want you to see in real time how much pressure you have to apply when doing these nails. You have to just hold it down as tightly as you can for 30 to 60 seconds if you have that time. 30 to 60 seconds and just press because these are press-on nails, so you're gonna have to press. So you just hold it down and press as hard as you can before moving on to the next nail, and we're just gonna keep repeating this until we eventually finish the set. So just take your time, gently slide it a little under the cuticle, angle it, and then you just press it down, and you're gonna hold it for a minimum of 30 seconds. 40-60 seconds is probably the best, but a minimum of at least 30 seconds. Just hold it down without moving, and then you move on to the next nail. I'm absolutely loving the shape of these nails. I intended when I saw them in the box, I intended on clipping them down and shaping them into more of a square shape. But as I was finishing the set, I was really in love with the rounded shape. But I am going to show you in the video a picture or a clip of me actually clipping the nail so you can see the quality and you can see that you can actually customize it. Because if you don't like the rounded tip and you like more of a square tip, you can absolutely do that without a problem. So eventually you will see that, but right now we're just finishing up the set. So just go ahead and take a look at that. We're almost at the end. I'm going to show you a shot outside so you can see what the nails look like, and these are such classy. This is such a classy length, a classy color, very neutral. It has a slight pink to it, but it's very neutral, can match with anything. But this is the clip here. I'm going to show you how easy it is just to clip it or to cut it down. It doesn't crack. It doesn't do any of that. It's a very high quality set of nails. The nails are sturdy and they're thick enough to actually look like a set that you did with acrylic or an overlay at a nail salon. Okay, and you can just file away the part that you clip and you can see it's still in great shape. So if you prefer to cut these down into a square shape, don't be afraid to. The nails will be fine. Okay. All right, so let's add that secret ingredient, which is a thick hand cream or body butter, just to give your hands that nice moisturized, glossy look that I just love. You can typically do that with cuticle oil as well. That's normally what they use at the nail salon. But how gorgeous are these nails. Like the rounded shape is so classy when it's short like this. I'm surprised that I like the rounded shape because I thought I was going to clip it down, but no, these are so pretty, and the camera is barely doing it justice. Barely. I'm going to step outside so you guys can see what it looks like outside, but look at these nails. Do these look like press-ons? Like, really? Does it look like press-ons? I really want to know, do you think, yeah, this absolutely looks like a press-on set? Or does it look, is it questionable? Like, is it like, man, is it a press-on set? Is it acrylic? Is it an overlay? Did she do this herself? Does she have a top manicure Olympian that did it for her? Because these are gorgeous. Hopefully you guys learned something. I really hope you loved the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comments. But later, kitties.